Meditation is a method to not running away from yourself, but to deal with yourself, to look straight at your problem and issue, your emotions and your feelings. It gives you the ability to relax, to calm down. By calming yourself down is when you realize that everything in your state of mind, sometimes it makes you crazy, sometimes it makes you running away from yourself. Some of you hide your own emotion, hide your own feeling, and you use drugs, you use alcohol to replace and to hide away from your own emotion. Now it's time for you to make a decision, to wake yourself up, to face with your own problems and issues, to truly deal with it. And how do you use this? How do you do this? Use your wisdom. It's time to sit down and relax. Give yourself a moment to reflect and see that, what can I do to better myself now? The journey as I am, the life as I live. Are you brave enough to face with your own problems? Are you brave enough to deal with your own issues? It's time to accept your fault, your guilt. You don't have to blame on anybody. Whatever happened, it already happened. Whether you had a good childhood life or whether you have a terrible childhood life, face it. It is already over. Move on and let it go. The more you meditate, the more you will see the art of letting go is beautiful. By letting go, you will see yourself, you will feel yourself with full of love and compassion. To have the love for yourself, to have the compassion for yourself, is a simple method of returning to yourself, to be mindful. Because when you are mindful, meaning you are noticing everything that's going on here, this state of mind can help you heal yourself. Or if you run away from it, if you want to try to hide behind it and use pleasure to really forget about the pain inside you, then it would never go away. It is time to recognize, to put it down, to move on, and to make a difference for yourself. Have a wonderful day, everybody. Smile and keep it fresh. Buddha love you, and so do I.